After 24 years of growth, Hozhong operates a 22,000 square meter factory with 32 lines and 30,000 tons of annual capacity, serving thousands of customers worldwide. Across our factory, dedicated equipment covers toilet tissue, facial tissue, kitchen towels, hand towels, napkins, and other everyday tissue products. Flexible converting and packaging capabilities allow us to customize size, ply, embossing, folding, and packaging, providing OEM and ODM solutions for brands, distributors, and commercial buyers. A stable reserve of parent rolls keeps production supplied. Automated converting, cutting, packaging, and conveying systems keep each line moving efficiently, supporting consistent output, dependable capacity, and responsive production for both routine orders and larger volume requirements. From raw materials to finished products, strict inspection procedures help keep every batch consistent and every specification under control. Internationally recognized certifications support our standards for quality, safety, and responsible manufacturing. Spacious warehousing supports organized inventory, stable storage, and efficient order fulfillment. Experienced teams work together across production, quality, design, and customer service. Our finished product range gives partners flexible choices for different brands, channels, and markets. With export experience and responsive service, Hozhong works with partners worldwide to build reliable, long-term supply relationships. Hozhong, your reliable tissue manufacturing partner.